Oh, I've just come out to Burlish Top Nature Reserve. You see that? Burlish Top Nature Reserve. I'm actually with my wife today. There you go. And she's already going, "How can we do the easy going trail, please, instead of the hard one?" Anyway, she's sitting in the car still. There she is, sitting in our little car. So we're going to go for a nice walk. Welcome to my channel, by the way, I should say. Thank you. Going to go for a nice walk in these woods, and there's something quite interesting to show as well when I get to this particular place. So get me guff out the car, you know, have a sack and stuff, and then we'll get going. Right, so my wife's with me, as I've just said, Jackie.
Hello.
And we are having this nice walk through this nature reserve just outside Stourport on 7.
Very nice and muddy.
It's very nice and muddy, love, yes. But we're going to somewhere that's quite an interesting bit of history around here, actually, which I'll explain in just a second when we reach it, which isn't too far. Yeah, I was just chatting away for 5 minutes back there, and the camera decided to turn itself off for some weird reason. I think it might be on the way out, I hope not. Bit annoying, but anyway, we are here. We've managed to get out for the afternoon, do another little video, another little tiny adventure before the big adventures start at some point. So in 1943 to 1944 there was a big army, US Army base here. Land was requisitioned by the, I don't know, I suppose you call it the War Office, and yeah, during the Second World War, big army base and hospital. So there's this sort of I don't know, what would you call it, memorial thing dedicated to the camp that was here. This is quite interesting, and if any American viewers are watching this video, they might find it interesting as well, actually. You can pause these bits if it's readable. Yeah, and the American helmet on top, and then over here, oh hang on a minute, there's a bit more. There's all sorts of information. Apparently the army base was so big that way in the distance over there, where there's a housing estate, where there was a housing estate. Sorry, I don't like talking to the camera when people are walking past. Apparently it was so big that a lot of the modern houses in the distance are built over the remains of it. Now there's some ruins down here. There's not a great deal left of it now. You can just see remnants of where it was.
And lots of rubbish.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Shame.
That really annoys me. Oh, that really does annoy me.
Such a shame.
I don't know why people do that. Do you know? I don't know whether the camera's picking it up, but there's bottles and glass and cans and all sorts over there. Really annoys me, it does. Really annoys me. It's a beautiful picturesque woods. You know, great walks all around here. And then you get idiots that just have to leave their trash. Shame. How are your little legs coping, love? Good. Now we come to a little pond in a minute, because I've been here before. Last time I came I just took some photos. I didn't bother doing a video, but I thought I'd like to come back and do a video. So this is obviously something sat here, Nissan huts or something, where this just about make out the outline of what was here. Little pond. It's actually quite sunny today for once. Now, there's little markers dotted around all over the place showing what was here.
16 huts, surgical ward.
Can I get that? Yeah, so there's a few markers like that dotted around all over the place that just show what was built here. Was that, what did that say? Surgical wing?
Yeah.
A little bit more information. Oh, it's about fitness. Never mind. And runners.
Not doing any running.
I don't think we're fit enough to be doing any running at the moment.
Not after that chest infection.
Still chesty, that fluey bug over Christmas just will not leave us. So hopefully little walks like this just make us feel a bit better. And it's nice to be out in sun. Well, slightly cloudy in places, but it's a lot better weather than some of my recent walks, and the camera might make it all look a little bit better, not so grainy with a bit of luck. We'll see. Anyway, I'll turn this off for a second because well, because I want to. Alright, we're coming up to another plaque here, like concrete post with a bit of info on it. What's it say?
Operating theatre.
Oh, hang on, move that leaf. So there's an operating theatre here, 1944 to 1945. Gosh, it must have looked so different if you were here all those years ago. I think we're going to wander down there now. So we're out in the woods a minute, sort of on this heathland. Oh, somebody's shouting in the background. There's two aerials over there, masts of some kind. Jackie whizzing ahead. Yeah, a bit more open now. Oh, I'm catching my shadow there. So we're going to stop somewhere nice. I wish I'd brought my shelter tent actually to set up. It'd be nice to have sat in there. Ah, another plaque. What's this one? Oh, I think me mess and kitchens used to sit here. God, it must have been a massive place. Oh, catching our shadows the way I'm filming at the moment. Oh, we'll find somewhere to sit down and have a sarnie, and dare I say it, a cup of tea. Gotta have the tea. Oh, it's very oh no, picking up too many shadows that way. Oh, I can have a quick look. I'm gonna. Yeah, this just comes.
Get a heat from the sun.
Yeah, a little bit of heat from the sun. Lost my train of thought then. Well, I found a little sun trap. So I think we're going to. Oh, shadows again. Ah, I keep picking up my shadow. So we're just going to sit here, I think. And make a drink and have a bite to eat. So back to you in a minute. What's that? Why have I got to be quiet? My little table. Ah. What else have we got in here?
That's into the sun.
Huh?
That's into the
I'll
sun.
turn it off. Oh well, we've made this our little picnic spot for 5 minutes. Brought my little table again. My little cooking pot. Little gas stove. Jackie's trying to find all the sandwiches. So we're in a bit of a sun trap. It's nice and sunny here, and it's quite warm. So she's sitting on my sit mats. I'm gonna. No, she's sitting on my coat actually. I'm gonna sit on the sit mats. Anyway, I'm gonna tuck in, and then I'm going to make the cup of teas. Sandwich. Yeah.
Nice healthy sandwich, by the way.
Couldn't be bothered bringing a food to heat up today. Just keeping it simple. Just a sarnie. There's some crisps and stuff in your. There's some crisps and stuff in your bag.
No, not mine.
Well, you got yours. I haven't got mine.
What do you want?
Oh, what crisps have we got? Keep pointing the camera everywhere. What crisps have we got?
Cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion. Cheese and onion. To go with my cheese sarnie. Oh dear me. Just stuffing my face with a donut, and I spilt a load of jam in my socks. Wonderful. I've just picked it out. Don't laugh, Jackie. And then just got harassed by about 3 dogs, which have now gone. Anyway, get this
donut here.
But yeah, don't choke, love. Don't choke. Right, it's gone very moody and very overcast now. We've had our sarnie. We've had our cups of tea.
2 cups of tea.
2 cups of tea. 2 cups of tea, my love. Yes, 2 cups of tea.
Doing us have a tea belly.
Not as bad a tea belly as me. And now somewhere along the line I've turned in a direction I didn't really want to go in, but it's still nice.
Well, something new for you.
I know, but I wanted to go on the same route I did last time I was here, but I took a different path, which is mildly irritating. But that was a mission back at the where we were sitting. I put my coat on and there was sheep poo all over it. And I spilled jam in my socks from my donut. Everything in my bag was covered in sticky sugar. It was just ridiculous. I don't know what went on. We used up about 300 wet wipes trying to get ourselves clean. And now I took a wrong path. Oh gosh. Never mind. Oh, I don't know if I can put the camera too close to my face sometimes. And we forgot the new selfie stick we bought the other day, which is why this is wobble 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 wobble.
Who forgot it?
I forgot it, Jackie, don't worry. So I got lovely views over the Shropshire landscape. Shropshire, Worcestershire landscape. Good grief. Get it right, man, get it right. Now this is an area I've been to a few times before, and this path where Jackie's standing to the right leads to a place called the Devil's Spittle something or other. Cue a little tiny clip of that, because I've been there before, and this area connects to a large heathland area behind the safari park in Bewdley. Just thought I'd let you know, in case anybody's interested in that little bit of information. Anyway, you want to turn left, Jackie, or else you're going to end up much further away than what we want to be. Go on then.
Well, thank you for joining us on our little adventure this afternoon. It's only a little one. So please subscribe and like and comment, and you'll either see me and my husband, Andy, or just Andy on his home the next time. Bye everyone.
On the sea. Go. No, come back anyway. We're going that way.